up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to saddle a horse. This is my boy Indio right here. She's got him. First you got to get the saddle. First thing first, grab the pad, put it on just about right here, right where the neck starts. Right there. Make sure he's broken in, because if it's not a broken in horse, he's not going to want to let you put this on him. He might get scared and probably kick you. Grab some chairs, saddle, you put everything up here, so you toss it over. No problem. Over here. Basically everything's gonna be up here. Toss it down. This is gonna go under, which is gonna make sure that the saddle won't go back and forth. And then this is called a pechera. It's gonna go up the front. This is gonna go under. And you're gonna put this through that hole. So move on this way. So what you have here is a strap, which is you're going to tighten. First you put this through this a little space right here over the circle. Pull it, make sure it's right. Pull this and buckle it, just like a buckle, like a belt buckle. Down here, for this back, what you do, grab your belt, make sure it's right. If it's not, put a slip off this right behind. Put it again through there. Basically, you should do a lot of loops so you feel like it's tight enough. Pull it again. And then once it starts getting tight and you can't put it through there, grab it here and you pull it back. Get it out through there, pull it down. Up. Yeah, make it tight enough. So I'd say right there, what you do so this won't be like loose and fall out. Pull these. That makes it tight. Alright. So you're giving the horse space to breathe too. You're kind of making it a little looser, and this will tighten up on the little bar right there. What I do, I just put it through there and make like a little knot so it won't come out. A little tight so it won't go there. Now, rienda. Do is you gotta make sure this is for the head. This is what goes here on top. So you pull this to the front. Here, this is what I do. Not everybody does the same thing, but this is what I do. I grab it from here, grab the horse's mouth, put my finger in the mouth, and he will eventually just open it and let me put it through. Because if you just go like that, he won't open his mouth because he's smart enough, right? So you just put your hand here, hold him, and eventually just go.
Can we hold it?
Yeah, hold him. And there. Now, grab this thing, strap, put it over his ears. He has a little cut here right now, so I'm trying to be like really careful so I won't hurt him. Hopefully it's not hurting him. this little strap, there's different ones. There's some that just go like that and don't strap, but this one has a strap. Put it under the neck. It comes out here. It's like a little buckle again. Just make it. So now make sure you're not choking them. So right there's fine. Just put it home. Oh. And put it right here. It won't come out. Now all you do is put this over his head. There, you're ready to ride him. Make sure you have him strapped. If you don't, he's gonna leave. So just take off. When you get on, come on. Over. Make sure you kick. Make sure that you're straight on there. Yeah, as I said, on the horse. Let me know what other kind of videos you guys want to watch. More fitness videos, fitness tips. Send me an email, questions, whatever you want. Subscribe, like, comment. See you next time.